Hello children, welcome to another class of computer lessons. Today we are going to learn our fifth chapter. Its name Uses of Computers. So our fifth chapter name is Uses of Computers. We know computer and we know the main parts of computer, and we have studied some important parts, helping parts of a computer. So today let's discuss about what are the uses of computer. And we know computer we can use, or we can draw using a computer, we can paint, we can play games, watch movies, play songs, etc. These are the main common uses of computer. Or we can send messages to another computer. These are the main uses, right? So today let's discuss about the computers used at various places. So which are the places where we can find computers? Okay, so can you tell me which are the places we can find computers? In bank, in airport, then in offices, school, etc. That means these are the places we can find computers. And here, computers at various places. So our first topic is computers. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R-S, computers used at various places. So computers at various means different. V-A-R-I-O-U-S, various places. P-L-A-C-S, computers at various places. So computers are not only used in our home, but we are found almost in every places such as offices, etc. So the first place is office. Which is the first place? Office. First one, in offices. In offices. What is the spelling of office? O-F-F-I-C-E-S, offices. We can see computer at where? Offices. That means we can send messages from one computer to another computer in offices. For typing letters and sending messages using computer, we can type and sending messages using computer at where? Offices. So the first place is office. We can send messages to another users. We can type letters, official letters, etc. So we can type letters and send messages to another users at offices. So what is the use? First one. Okay, in offices we can type and send messages. P-W-E-V, can, C-A-N, can, type, T-Y-P-E, type, and send messages. Messages means sometimes official letters or any documents, etc. That is, we can type and send messages. M-E-S-S-A-G-E-S. We can type and send messages using computer, or we can type and send messages to other users using computer. So that is the thing we can find computers at where? Offices. So first place, offices. In office, we can type and send messages to other users. So look at the picture, page number 34. Here I am typing a letter to the director of the Cartoon Network channel. Here there is a lady and she says she was typing a letter to the director of Cartoon Network channel. So that means he or she used her computer to type the letter for whom? The director. So at office we can type and send messages. We can type and send messages. Then second place is second place is at or in airports. Where? At airports or railway stations. Then what is the spelling of airport? A-I-R. Air. A-I-R. Air. Port. P-O-R-T. Airports or airport. Airport. Then second place, railway station. R-A-I-L. Railway. W-A-Y. Railway. Station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Railway station. So first place, in office we can type and send messages to the other users using our computer. Second place is where? Airports or railway station. Airports or railway station. So in airport and railway station we use computer for booking tickets. Computer can be used for what? For booking tickets. So its use is in airport or at railway station. The computers are found and the computers used for what process or what use? For booking tickets. For F-O-R. For booking. B-O-O-K. K-I-N-G. Booking tickets. T-I-C-K-E-T-S. So here look at the picture. There is an officer and a lady. She says, I want to book a ticket to Delhi for the 15th of September. And he says we have a seat available on this date. So at railway station and airport we can book tickets. We can book tickets using the computer. So the second use is at railway station and airports. What is the use of computer? For booking tickets. F-O-R. For B-O-O-K-I-N-G. Booking tickets. T-I-C-K-E-T-S. So first place is in office. We can type and send messages to other users using our computer. Second place is airports or railway stations. So at airport and railway station we can book tickets. That is for booking tickets. Third place is in bank. So third place is where? Bank. Third one in banks. B A N K S, banks. So third place is in banks. Banks means we can transfer our amount of money to others for maintaining money accounts. That means we can transfer our money to others. We can deposit money to the bank. We can withdraw money to the bank using computer. Using computer, that is in bank we can transfer the money. That means for maintaining accounts. For maintaining money accounts. So what is the use? For F-O-R, for maintaining, for keeping or maintaining. M-A-I-N-T-A-I-N-G, maintaining, N-I-N-G, maintaining money accounts. M-O-N-E-Y, money accounts. A-C-C-O-U-N-T-S, for maintaining money accounts. That means we can deposit money, withdraw money or transfer money to any other accounts using our computer. So here look at the picture. There is a man. He says, please deposit rupees 200 and tell me the balance in my saving account. So here there is a lady, an officer. She says, now your balance amount is rupees 900. So in bank, what is the use of computer? We can maintaining money transfer or maintaining accounts. So what are the things? First one, in offices, we can type and send messages to other users. Second one, where at airports and railway station for booking tickets. And third one, in banks for maintaining money accounts. That means depositing, withdrawing money. Then next is in schools. So we know in our school we have computer lab, right? So it's also used for teachers. For what purposes? For calculating the result, preparing the mark list, etc. That is for teaching, preparing result and presentation. For teaching, preparing result and presentation. So the fourth use or fourth place is where? In schools. Fourth one, in schools. Yes. C-H-O-O-L-S, in schools. So fourth place is where? In schools. So in schools, what are the uses? For preparing result, then making presentations. Teaching, preparing results and making presentation. For F-O-R, for teaching. Then what is the spelling of teaching? T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G, teaching. Then preparing result, comma, preparing P R E P A R I N G, preparing results or mark list, R E S U L T S, preparing result and presentations. Presentation means for presenting the content of a topic to an audience or to the students. That is presentation. Presentation P R E S E N T A T I O N S, presentation. So in school, for what purposes? For teaching, T-E-A-C-H-I-N-G, teaching, preparing result, P-R-E-P-A-R-I-N-G, preparing results, R-E-S-U-L-T-S, results. Then making presentations, P-R-E-S-E-N-T-A-T-I-O-N-S, making presentations. Okay, so once again, first step of features, we can type and sending messages to other users. Second one, at airports or railway station for booking tickets. Third one, in bank for transferring money, for maintaining money accounts. Then fourth one, in where school, for teaching, then preparing results, making presentations. So here there is a teacher and the students. So can you see the picture of solar system in the computer? Yes, teacher says, now I will teach you about the solar system. Teacher teaches the students about solar system. Then the student says, wow, the sun and the planets look so beautiful. Then in some cars or in cars, computer chips are also used to make to control the emissions of engines, etc. That is, and also we know computer chip is inside the mobile phone so that you can browse internet, watch movies, etc. So fifth one, at restaurants. So next place is at restaurants. Fifth, restaurants, R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T, restaurants. So the fifth place is where? Restaurants. Then what is the purpose of computer in restaurants? Yes, for preparing bill, for making or calculating and printing bills. That means you have ordered, for example, just suppose you have ordered some items and finally you want the bill of each items you ordered. So that is, we can prepare or calculating and printing the bill using our computer. That's the main use in where? Restaurants. The food items you ordered and food items ordered list and calculates the amount and then print the bill using computer. So what is its use? For calculating and printing the bill. For F-O-R, for calculating. calculating, and printing, 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 bill, bill, calculating and printing bill. So at restaurants we use the computers for calculating and printing bills. Once again, what are the places? First, office. We can type and sending messages to other users. Second one, at airport or railway station for booking tickets. Third one, in bank for maintaining money accounts. Fifth one, in school for teaching, preparing results and making presentations. Then next, sixth one, at restaurants for calculating and printing bill. Then so here a man, he says 1 pizza, 1 burger, 2 ice cream cones and a coke please. So finally the total bill amount is rupees 250. So we can easily calculate the amount of each items using computer. Then the last place is hospitals. It is the last place. Here seventh one, that is in hospitals. In hospitals. 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 In hospitals. So that means we can keep the records of patients. What's the use of computer in hospitals? Keeping records of patients and their treatments. So what is its use? We know the details, so we can store the details of the patient and their diseases and also their treatment. So that is the use of computer in hospital. Keeping records of patients and also their treatments. It is 4. F-O-R, for keeping. K-E-E-P-I-N-G, keeping, for keeping. Records. Records means details. Records. R-E-C-O-R-D-S. Records of. O-F. Patients. P-A-T-I-E-N-T-S. Patients. And A-N-D. And their. T-H-E-I-R. Their treatments. T-R-E-A-T. Treatments. M-E-N-T-S. Treatments. So 7 places. So here a nurse and a doctor. So the nurse says, "Sir, will you please check the report of the patient in ward number 45?" And the doctor says the heart condition of the patient is good. So what are the places? Which are the places? First one in offices. Second one at railway station. Third one in bank. fourth one in school, fifth one at restaurant, and sixth one in hospital. Sorry, sixth. So, what is the use of computer in office? We can type and send messages to officers or means other users using our computer. Second one, in or at airports or railway station. That means we can book tickets for booking tickets. Third one, in bank for money transferring. That means for maintaining money accounts. Then fourth one, in schools. That means we can for teaching, for making presentations, for preparing results of the marks, or for calculating the results and making a progress card or etc. That is the use of computer in schools. Then next, at restaurants. Restaurant means, you know, we can order the food items and finally calculates the amount of each of the food items. So calculating and printing the bill. The next one, in where hospitals, to record the or to keep the record of or the details of patients and whom and their treatments. Patients records of patients details and the diseases or name, and then the treatments of the patients are recorded. So we can keep that record using the computer. Okay, so there is an activity. First, where all have you seen computers? Write down the name of those places. So where we can see computer, and you can write the names of such places. First one, yes, we can write here office. Then next, school. Then next, hospital. Then bank. So these are the things we have learned today. So today's class ends here. Thank you.